Okay guys, here we have the components of our push button project. This is our Arduino board. This case is the Leonardo. Here we have a resistor of 1k ohm or 1000 ohms. We are going to need two push buttons like these ones, and red LED, and we are going to use two wires like this one. Okay guys, as you see, I have here my Arduino Leonardo board. The two wires, this one, the orange one, is connected to 5 voltage output, and the black one is connected to ground. So this wire is from negative and this one is from positive. So here we have our 1k ohm, our two push buttons, and the LED. Okay guys, as you can see, my Arduino board is receiving power from this USB cable. So what I'm going to do is push this button, then I'm going to push the second button, and now I'm pushing both buttons. As you can see, the LED is turned on. Thank you.